guys, what is up? It's your girl Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free. And let's get into this video.
Surge Trader is a prop trading firm that funds traders, enabling them to earn more profits on their trading activity. To become a funded surge trader, traders must first pass an audition to demonstrate their skills and discipline as competent traders. Upon successful completion, traders will receive a funded account of up to $1 million. Yes, guys, $1 million. Traders keep up to 90% of the profit they generate in their funded account. It is very simple to get started. And another thing that I really love about Surge Trader, guys, is that you can actually use many different tools and indicators to help assist you to further accomplish the challenge, okay? And what prop firm do you know has access to the BK Forex? Yes, that's right, guys. You guys have 30-day membership with BK Forex, okay? And it is led by trading experts such as Kathy and Boris. Yes. So you have many different resources to help you earn and successfully complete the challenge within Surge Trader. Good luck and happy trading.
All right, guys, so as you guys already know, I am going to be documenting my journey through the Surge Trader Challenge, the 25K challenge. It is week 2, guys, and we are moving on up slowly but surely, especially with my busy schedule with residency. But enough of me talking, let's get right into this video. All right, guys, so basically moving forward, I only was able to trade 2 days out the week of last week, simply because those were the only good opportunities that I seen that was valid to me to get into the market. I never try to force any trades. So this was Wednesday of last week, and I am getting in. I'm getting in for a quick sale, guys. So I'm just putting in my stop loss and my take profit because, of course, with Surge Trader, you do want to make sure that you are providing a stop loss because they will take you out if you do not, because they don't want you to basically put yourself in a scenario where you are deep in drawdown, where you cannot recover. Okay, so it's very important that you guys are placing your stop loss. Again, if you guys need help on creating a stop loss, I'm more than happy to create a video for you guys. Just comment down below if you guys will want that video, okay? All right, so my sales are already up and moving. As you guys can see, I created another take profit. I did have orders, so you guys can see that I have pending orders. With those pending orders, I seen an opportunity where the market was going to reverse and go up. So that's why I did a pending order instead of an actual market execution. Those pending orders were not, what's the word? I can't even think of it. But the pending orders were not activated. So in that sense, on Friday, Surge Trader, deletes any unopened or unactive trading opportunities just to make sure that we're good all the way through, right? So then again, I look back at my trades, guys, and I made $113.77. Now that was definitely not the goal. You guys already know that my maximum goal is to make $300 and my minimum was $150. But since I was in rounds and I had so much to do on Wednesday, I just could not afford to get back in and try to watch what the market is doing. I just was okay with $113. Also, guys, it's very important that, if you are very confident into your trade, it's very reasonable for you to actually get in on another position at the same time, especially if you are doing a pending order or a market execution, so you can get more for your buck, okay? So that's another way, all right? Now this is on Thursday. So again, the market last week was definitely more of a downtrend. So again, I'm putting in my stop loss because that's what I'm really focused on, and I get in for a sell. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm mostly focusing on that 31,316.44 because it's already has hidden that area before. So you know, when I see that the market has definitely hit my resistance and support lines before, I always go into that opportunity to get in for another sell opportunity or another buy, like if it's vice versa. So it's very important that you guys create your support and resistance lines because it just gives you an idea of where the market is actually at. Where's the price line, right? So if you see that the market has hit your resistance or your support line and you've seen it more than twice, I wouldn't even say 9 times out of 10, but a good 7 out of 10, guys, it's going to hit that area again or a little bit shorter. Okay, so it's always important that you get into that opportunity to grab those pips. You guys should already know how my trading style is based on, you know, the Twitch, the streams, and, you know, overall just me being on this channel altogether to show you guys how I trade. And then, guys, as you guys can see here, back on Thursday, I was able to make a total of 78 bucks. It definitely was not a lot, but I was okay with 78 bucks, okay? And it got my account to $25,250, okay? So we are slowly but surely growing this account to successfully pass this challenge. I am not rushing to pass this challenge because a good thing about Surge Trader is that there is no time. So it does not matter how long it took you to actually accomplish this goal of, you know, passing the challenge, as long as you were able to successfully go by the rules that they have successfully provided for you guys if you have signed up, and, you know, just as long as you have a stop loss. Easy as that. So guys, that was the end of my trading series for last week. Again, I only traded for 2 days. It was definitely short, but due to my schedule with residency, it's a lot going on. So I hope this video was very helpful. I hope it gives you more of a perspective of how it is to trade with a prop firm. If you haven't already, go ahead and go sign up with Surge Trader for just $250 to get you $25,000 into your account for you to be able to work with, so that you're able to make some sort of income each and every month, so that this can actually be a career for you if you are very serious. So if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.